We've already done our first and second flowers. Today we're on our third flower, a beautiful, elegant peony. For this design, I've chosen three colors: a dark pink, a light pink, and a soft pastel yellow. I have threaded my needle with 3 strands of this dark pink floss. Let's get started on the outer petals. We're going to fill the petals using the blanket stitch, and you'll see how quickly and easily this stitch covers a lot of area. Try to keep your stitches at a consistent height and spacing. This is the key to a clean and beautiful fill. This flower is a great way to combine a few simple stitches to create a truly unique and beautiful result. If you're a beginner, this is a perfect stitch to practice, as the close-up view shows just how simple it is to get a smooth, even fill. Once you have a few blanket stitches in place, take a moment to look at your work. Now for the magic touch. To give our petals a sharper, more defined outline and a truly popped look, we're going to add a border using detached buttonhole stitch. For this, I've changed my needle to a tapestry needle with a blunt point. The blunt tip helps it glide easily through your previous blanket stitches without splitting the threads, making the process much smoother. And just like that, our first petal is done. Now we'll simply move on to the next one. We'll repeat the exact same process. First, fill the entire petal with your blanket stitch and then outline it with the detached buttonhole stitch. Just continue this for all the remaining petals of the flower. As you can see, the blanket stitch creates a beautiful, neat line that's perfect for both filling and edging. It's formed by a series of straight stitches held in place by a horizontal loop. The great thing about this stitch is that it's easy to master, and it works wonderfully for so many things. We'll stitch the detached buttonhole stitch around the edge of each petal we filled. Now let's move to the inner petals. I've switched my floss to this lighter pink shade and will repeat the same process. First, fill the petals with the blanket stitch and then go back and outline the edges with the detached buttonhole stitch. This layered color effect will give your peony so much dimension and make it feel more lifelike. We'll be using these shades to give our peony depth and a realistic layered look. Don't be afraid to experiment. This technique would look amazing with different colors, like a creamy white with a soft pink center, or even a bold red and orange combination. Try it with colors that you love. Finally, let's complete the center of the flower. I'm filling the center area with French knots, alternating between the two colors. The French knots add a wonderful textured fill that completes the look of our peony. The combination of the blanket stitch, detached buttonhole, and French knots makes this peony truly special. I hope you're feeling a boost of confidence in your stitching skills. Stay tuned for the next video, where we'll continue our journey to stitch all 6 of our beautiful flowers. We're halfway there. I'll see you in the next lesson.